Hello, welcome back to my channel, Snips by Kelly. I'm Kelly, and today I'm doing a simple workshop share that features this paper pack and sticker sheet called Cosette. Cosette has this vintagey, chic feel to it. It has some great flourishes in it, some wonderful circles. It sort of lends itself to maybe heritage photos, family photos, old-time photos. It has some postage stamp. It has some wallpapery feeling papers with this wonderful mulberry stripe. It has some small florals and some larger florals, and I really ended up loving especially the yellow floral pattern in there, and I did do a feature layout with that. This is a simple workshop, and it is a very simple supply list. So I used the pattern paper and sticker sheet that you just saw, and I also used the Cosette Picture My Life cards, and I did a lot of fussy cutting of these, using some of them as titles, using some of them as photo mats. I fussy cut this bouquet, I fussy cut the little banners out, I fussy cut the butterflies out, I fussy cut just pieces of the moments title there, and I did use the whole Let Me Tell a Story card, and I also used this floral card here as a focal point because I loved it so much. The Cosette Picture My Life cards come in 3x4s and 4x6s, and they will have a vertical orientation on one side and a horizontal orientation on the other side. And my Simply Scrappin' workshops have always used these in the past. We are discontinuing our Picture My Life card program, which is our pocket card program, and I'm crushed because I love these. So I didn't want to miss an opportunity to create with this. At the time of this video, most of the Cosette items are sold out. There are still a few of them, including these Picture My Life cards, that are available, but I'm making good on a promise to my Simply Scrappers. They love this collection so much that they wanted me to create with it, so I'm making good on that promise. Layout 1 here is a super simple but beautiful layout. Of course, I did some gutting of the frame in the background. I used that beautiful Picture My Life card as a focal point, and a fussy cut butterfly that I popped up on that, and then on the right page, that wonderful cluster on the right, cut the sticker in half and used half of the pink circle sticker as well as half of the blue rectangular mist sticker, which I love to do to be able to stretch pieces and make larger clusters. Such a simple layout, but so pretty. Again, another super simple layout with great photo opportunities. The Joy Picture My Life card as a focal point. Love This Life is from the sticker sheet. The flower bouquet on the right page, like I said before, is cut out of the Picture My Life cards. I did pop up both photo frames on both layouts because I really feel like that helps that to stand out. There's that fussy cut butterfly, the little cluster on the left, showing you on the other layout how I did use the half of the sticker. My Simply Scrappin' workshops are always guaranteed to have very little supplies as well as very simple layouts with lots of photo opportunities and layouts that are very functional and easy to put together. But I don't really feel like you have to sacrifice the beauty of a page just because it's simple, and I feel like these pages really lend themselves to both, where you get lots of photo opportunities. So here I've used some 2x2 photos, and I don't get afraid of 2x2 photos. I use an Epson PictureMate 400 and an app that helps me make 2x2 photos, and I feel like they capture moments just as well as the larger photos. With those 3x4s, 6 of them, and 5 of those 2x2s, you actually have 11 photo opportunities with this layout, and it's so simple. A little bit of layering of paper on top and on bottom, and then adding those photos in the middle and the bottom. Here's another simple one that might look a little bit more complicated, but I've used faux strips. So I love to use smaller strips that make it look like they are a larger piece of paper, but it's a lot of staggering and stacking of both pattern paper and cardstocks to just create a wonderful layered look. Using a combination of stickers and fussy cut pieces, those banners, for example, are fussy cut pieces out of the Picture My Life cards, as are the banners on the upper left there. Those desert rose flowers in the center of the leaf stickers are also fussy cut out of Picture My Life cards. So just creating some of those extra clusters, popping up some of those bits with foam tape, and just makes a really, really beautiful, fun layout that is nice and layered and textured. This layout is one of the simplest layouts in history. Again, using some faux strips, so I didn't have to use too much of that beautiful yellow floral, but just basic layout, adding stickers from the sticker sheet, using the Picture My Life card as the focal title, and backing it with another Picture My Life card by just trimming it down a little, adding a photo mat to the back, and then adding that to that distressed Picture My Life card. That zip strip there with the doilies is so gorgeous, creating that cluster up on the right with the typewriter sticker, the journaling sticker, the fussy cut butterfly out of the Picture My Life cards, and some added little floral bits. That little other half of that mist sticker there that I used on the other half. And I actually use this layout as a focal layout for this series using some photos of my family from 1968. We did not have very many family photos. In fact, photos of myself as a child are very rare to find. And so I loved using those black and white photos with this floral paper. My little dress in those photos is actually yellow, so I may have to redo that layout using color photos. But here we are with the full 10-page workshop, and I think there's so many photo opportunities in this, and it has just such a wonderful vintagey vibe, but you could totally use it for modern day family as well. I love it. Here are those vintage photos from 1968. And yes, I was a little chubby cheeked girl, and my mother put rollers in my hair, but boy, look at my mother's bouffant hairdo. Wow. So I absolutely love featuring my family. That's my older brother. He is my Irish twin, almost 1 year apart from me. You can check out the full workshop on my blog at www.snipsbykelly.blogspot.com, which will also be in the description. Thanks for hanging with me and let me share my simple workshop. Hit like, hit subscribe, and shoot me a comment and let me know what you liked. Happy scrapping, everyone. Bye-bye.